Tornado Action Plan. Written by Jill McDougall. Illustrated by Andre Seelin. Tornadoes are powerful storms with swirling winds. They can cause a lot of damage. Close read. What questions do you have about tornadoes? Highlight the words that help you answer your questions. Take time to learn about tornadoes. Make a plan to stay safe. It is wise to be prepared. Choose a safe area in your home. This could be a basement or even a closet. Close read. What are 2 things you should do to prepare for a tornado? Underline what you should do. Pack a bag. Pack clothes and a flashlight. Keep the bag in the safe area. If a tornado comes, 1. Go straight to the safe area. 2. Wait for the tornado to pass. A tornado action plan will keep you safe.